A jungle where monkeys trade bananas. Banana price go up, monkey happy. Banana price go down, monkey sad. Simple, right? This is like buying stocks, hoping they go up. Call this going long. Monkey buy banana today, hoping tomorrow, banana worth more bananas. Easy. But what if monkey thinks banana price too high? What if monkey thinks banana price gonna crash? Monkey want to profit from banana going down? How? Enter short selling. Sounds tricky. It's just borrowing and hoping for a fall. Meet Chimp. Chimp is a clever, maybe sneaky monkey. Chimp sees Farmer Bob's bananas. Everyone loves Bob's bananas. Price is sky high, 100 leaves per banana. Chimp thinks, whoa, too expensive, banana bubble, price gonna splat. Chimp doesn't own any bananas, but he borrows bananas from his friend, Orangutan the lender. Heyo, says Chimp, lend me 10 bananas. I promise to give them back later, plus a few juicy berries as interest. Orangutan agrees. Deal. Chimp immediately sells those 10 borrowed bananas in the jungle market for 100 leaves each. Cha-ching, Chimp now has 1,000 shiny leaves. But Chimp owes Orangutan 10 bananas. He must return them. Soon, Chimp is betting big. He bets banana price will fall. If banana price drops to, say, 50 leaves, Chimp is thrilled. He can now buy 10 bananas back from the market for only 500 leaves. He returns the 10 bananas to Orangutan. Chimp keeps the leftover leaves. 1,500, 500 leaves, minus a few berries for Orangutan. Profit, banana go down, Chimp happy. Short sell success. What if Chimp is wrong? Uh-oh. What if banana price goes up? Disaster. Imagine a banana blight hits. Suddenly, bananas are super scarce. Price zooms to 150 leaves. Chimp still owes Orangutan 10 bananas. Now to buy just one banana costs 150 leaves. Chimp needs 10. That's 1,500 leaves. But he only got 1,000 leaves when he sold them. Monkey math panic. Chimp must find 500 extra leaves somehow. He might have to sell his favorite hammock. Banana go up. Chimp very, very sad. This is the big risk of short selling. Losses can be huge. Banana bankruptcy. So, short selling? It's borrowing something, selling it now, hoping the price falls. Then, you buy it back cheaper later. Return what you borrowed and pocket the difference. Profit from pessimism. But if the price rises instead, you have to buy it back expensive. Big loss. Ouch. Much ouch. In short, short selling is betting the banana will get cheaper. Borrow, sell high, hope price crashes, buy back low, return profit. But if banana gets more expensive, monkey gets crushed by the falling sky? Yeah, risky monkey business. Leaves can disappear fast. So, remember jungle traders? Going long, buy banana, hope price up. Going short, borrow banana, sell, hope price down, buy back cheap. Simple, mostly. Dangerous, absolutely. Like juggling coconuts. Want more monkey economics? Hit subscribe, or banana bonanza's coming your way.